ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ
ಬೆಟ್ಟಪ್ಪಾಡಿಗೆ ಇತ್ತರ ಕಡಪು ಬೆಟ್ಟಪ್ಪಾಡಿಗೆ ಇತ್ತರ
ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ
ಟೆಂಪಲ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ ಟೆಂಪಲ್
ಬರ್ತಾ ಬರಬೇಕು ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು.
ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಟೈಟಾಗಿ ಹಾಗೆ
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕೈ ಬರು
ನಾನು ಜಲ್ದಿ ಬರಲಿಗೆ ಜಲ್ದಿ ಬರಲಿಯೋ
ಅವಿನಾಶ್ ಸಂತೋಷ ಗಾಡಿ ಸಂತೋಷ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋದ ಅವಿನಾಶ್ ಈಗ ಬಂದ ಹೋಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲ
ಈ ಈಚೆ ಬಂದಿರೋ ಅವ್ರು ಎತ್ತಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಈಚೆ ಬಂದಿರ ಅವ್ರು ಎತ್ತಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಅವ್ರು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ
ಓಯ್ ಮೂಡು ಕೊಡೋದು ಕೇಳೋಳಿಯಾ ಎದುರಡೆ
ಬಂದೆ
ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ತಗೊಂಡೋಗಿ
ತೆಗಿಬಿಡಿ ಅಲ್ಲ ಸರ್
ಸಂತೋಷ ಬಿಡ್ಲೆ
ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ತೆಗಿಬೇಕಾಯ್ತಾ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ಬಕೆಟ್ ಹಾಕಿ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ತೆಗೆದು ಎಲ್ಲ ಸುತ್ತ ಇರೋದನ್ನು ತೆಗೆದೆಲ್ಲ ಬಕೆಟ್ ಹಾಕಿ ಪ್ಲೇಟ್ ತೊಳಗೆ ಕಿಚನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಆಯ್ತು ಆಯ್ತಾ ಸುತ್ತ ತೆಗಿ ಬಕೆಟ್ ಹಿಂದ್ಗಡೆ
ಎಳಿಬೇಡಿ ಆದರೆ ಎಳಿಬೇಡಿ
ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ಬೇಕಾ?
ಏನು ಬೇಡ, ಇಲ್ಲ ಇದೆ.
ಚೇರಿಗೆ
ಮಧುಸೂದನ ಮಂಗಳಂ ದೇವಕಿ ಪುತ್ರ ಮಂಗಳಂ ಗರುಡಧ್ವಜ.
ಅಮೆರಿಕದ ನ್ಯೂಜೆರ್ಸಿ ಮಹಾರಾಜ್ಯದ ಎಡಿಸನ್ ಮಹಾನಗರದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾಳೆಯ ಮುಹೂರ್ತದಲ್ಲಿ ಶ್ರೀ ಶ್ರೀಕೃಷ್ಣನ ಪ್ರತಿಷ್ಠೆಯನ್ನು ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಭರದಿಂದ ಸಿದ್ಧತೆಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ನಡೀತಾ ಇದೆ. 15 ವರ್ಷಗಳಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಶ್ರೀಕೃಷ್ಣನ ಉತ್ಸವ ಮೂರ್ತಿಯ ಆರಾಧನೆ ನಡೀತಾ ಇದ್ದು, ನಾಳೆ ಶಾಲಿಗ್ರಾಮ ಶಿಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆತ್ತಲ್ಪಟ್ಟಂತಹ ಶ್ರೀ ಕೃಷ್ಣನ ವಿಗ್ರಹವನ್ನು ನಾವು ಸ್ಥಾಪನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಮುಖ್ಯ ಪ್ರಾಣದೇವರ ವಿಗ್ರಹವನ್ನು, ಹಾಗೆಯೇ ಶ್ರೀ ರಾಘವೇಂದ್ರ ಗುರು ಸಾರ್ವಭೌಮರ ಬೃಂದಾವನವನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಸ್ಥಾಪನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದು, ಎಲ್ಲ ಭಕ್ತರ ಸಹಕಾರದಿಂದ ಈ ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಸಂಪನ್ನಗೊಳ್ಳಲಿದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿಯ ಎಲ್ಲ ಭಕ್ತರು ಕೂಡ ಉತ್ಸಾಹದಿಂದ ಈ ಒಂದು ಸತ್ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ಪೂರ್ಣ ಪ್ರೋತ್ಸಾಹವನ್ನು ನೀಡಿದ್ದು, ಶ್ರೀಕೃಷ್ಣ ಮೊಟ್ಟ ಮೊದಲು ಅಮೆರಿಕದ ನಗರದಲ್ಲಿ ಸನ್ನಿಹಿತನಾಗಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿಯ ಭಕ್ತರನ್ನು ಅನುಗ್ರಹಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ. ಇಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಬರುವ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಭಕ್ತರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ನಾವು ಶುಭವನ್ನು ಕೋರುತ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ನಾಳೆಯ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರತಿಷ್ಠಾಪನಾ ಕಾರ್ಯ ಅದು ಭರದಿಂದ ನಡೀತಾ ಇದ್ದು, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಎಲ್ಲರ ಪ್ರೋತ್ಸಾಹವನ್ನು ನಾವು ಅಪೇಕ್ಷಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ಇವತ್ತು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಷ್ಠಮಯ ಒಂದು ಶಿಲ್ಪಕಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮೂಡಲ್ಪಟ್ಟಂತಹ ಈ ಒಂದು ಗರ್ಭಗುಡಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಶಿಖರ ಸ್ಥಾಪನೆಯನ್ನು ನಾವು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಒಂದು ಹೊಸ ರೀತಿಯ ಪ್ರಯೋಗವನ್ನು, ಗರ್ಭಗುಡಿಯ ಒಂದು ವಿನ್ಯಾಸವನ್ನು ನಾವು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಖರೀದಿಸಿದಂತಹ ಈ ಚರ್ಚಿಗೆ ಅನುಗುಣವಾಗುವಂತೆ ಈ ಒಂದು ಗರ್ಭಗುಡಿಯನ್ನು ನಿರ್ಮಾಣ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು, ಇಡೀ ಒಂದು ಈ ದೇಗುಲದ ಒಂದು ಪರಿವರ್ತನೆಯನ್ನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಭಕ್ತರ ಸಹಕಾರದಿಂದ ಇದು ನಡೀತಾ ಇದ್ದು, ಈ ಒಂದು ಅಪೂರ್ವವಾದಂತಹ ಗರ್ಭಗುಡಿಗೆ ವಿಶೇಷವಾಗಿ ಅನೇಕ ಶಿಲ್ಪಿಗಳು ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಭಕ್ತರು ಸಹಕಾರವನ್ನು ನೀಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಈ ಗರ್ಭಗುಡಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಭಾಗವತದಲ್ಲಿ ವರ್ಣಿಸಲ್ಪಟ್ಟಂತಹ ಶ್ರೀಕೃಷ್ಣನ ಲೀಲೆಗಳ ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ಕೆತ್ತನೆಗಳನ್ನು ನಾವು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು, ಬೇಲೂರು ಹಳೆಬೀಡು ಮಾದರಿಯ ಒಂದು ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಷ್ಠದಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ಒಂದು ಶಿಲ್ಪಕಲೆಯನ್ನು ಮೂಡಿಸುವ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನವನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಬರ್ಮಾದಿಂದ ತರಿಸಲ್ಪಟ್ಟಂತಹ ಈ ಒಂದು ಕಾಷ್ಠ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಮರದಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಕೆತ್ತನೆ ಬಹಳ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮೂಡಿ ಬಂದಿದ್ದು, ಇಂತಹ ಒಂದು ನೂತನವಾದಂತಹ ಗರ್ಭಗುಡಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಶ್ರೀಕೃಷ್ಣನ ಸ್ಥಾಪನೆಯಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಕೃಷ್ಣನ ಪ್ರತಿಷ್ಠಾಪನಾ ಕಾರ್ಯವನ್ನು ನಾವು ಶ್ರೀಮದ್ ಆಚಾರ್ಯರು ಅವರು ನಿರೂಪಿಸಿದಂತಹ ತಂತ್ರಸಾರದ ಒಂದು ಆಗಮದ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ಸಂಪೂರ್ಣವಾಗಿ ತಂತ್ರಸಾರ ಮುಕ್ತವಾದಂತಹ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಒಂದು ಹೊಸ ದೇಗುಲದ ನಿರ್ಮಾಣವಾಗ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು. ನಾಳೆಯ ದಿವಸ 1004 ಕಲಶಗಳ ಒಂದು ಅಭಿಷೇಕ ಮತ್ತು ಪುನಃ 13 ಕಲಶಗಳ ಅಭಿಷೇಕದ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಪನ್ನಂಜೆ ಗೋವಿಂದಾಚಾರ್ಯರ ಒಂದು ಮಾರ್ಗದರ್ಶನದಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಎಲ್ಲ ವಿಧಿವಿಧಾನಗಳು, ಈ ಪ್ರತಿಷ್ಠಾಪನಾ ಕಾರ್ಯಗಳು ನಡೆಯಲಿದೆ. ಇಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಪರ್ವ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಶ್ರೀಕೃಷ್ಣ ಭಕ್ತರಿಗೂ ಕೃಷ್ಣನ ವಿಶೇಷ ಅನುಗ್ರಹ ಆಗಲಿ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ನಾವು ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ, ಅಮೇರಿಕದಲ್ಲಿ 5 ಕಡೆ 5 ಟೈಮ್ ಝೋನ್ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ದೇಗುಲಗಳನ್ನು ಸ್ಥಾಪನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದು, ಫೀನಿಕ್ಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಶ್ರೀ ವೆಂಕಟಕೃಷ್ಣ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರ ಎಂಬುದಾಗಿ ವೆಂಕಟೇಶ್ವರ ದೇವರ ಒಂದು ದೇವಸ್ಥಾನವನ್ನು ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ಸ್ಥಾಪನೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು, ಇನ್ನು ಪುನಃ 3 ಸ್ಥಳಗಳಲ್ಲಿ, ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ನ್ಯೂಜೆರ್ಸಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಉಡುಪಿ ಶ್ರೀಕೃಷ್ಣನ ಮಂದಿರವನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ನಾವು ಸ್ಥಾಪನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ಅಮೆರಿಕದಲ್ಲಿ ನೆಲೆಸಿರತಕ್ಕಂತಹ ಅನಿವಾಸಿ ಭಾರತೀಯರಿಗೆ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಭಕ್ತರಿಗೆ ಕೂಡ ಕೃಷ್ಣನ ಅನುಗ್ರಹ ನಿರಂತರ ದೊರಕಲಿ ಎಂಬಂತಹ ಈ ಸದುದ್ದೇಶದಿಂದ ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯವನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದು, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಭಕ್ತರ ನಿರಂತರ ಪ್ರೋತ್ಸಾಹ ಬೇಕು. ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೆಲೆಸಿಕೊಂಡು ಇಡೀ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಭಕ್ತ ಸಮುದಾಯವನ್ನು ಅನುಗ್ರಹಿಸಲಿ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಈ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. Here we have built the new type of Garbhagraham here. We purchased one church in Edison, and it is converted into a temple, Krishna temple, and new type of Garbhagudi is already established here. We bought the woods from Burma and carved all the Krishna Leelas in that Kashta, and in Karkala near Udupi we prepared this Garbhagudi and brought here, and we established. Today we have made the Shikara Pratishtapana, and this Garbhagudi is a new type of Garbhagudi where we can see all Krishna Leelas narrated in Bhagavatam, and it is only by wood and stone made and wood and no other things. So Krishna is going to come here tomorrow, and he will be here for blessings of our devotees. In America, according to the time zone, we established 5 centers here, and first we established Lord Venkateshwara Temple in Phoenix, Arizona. Now we are establishing the Sri Krishna Temple, Udupi Sri Krishna Temple, along with the Mukhya Prana and Sri Raghavendra Guru Sarvabhaumaru. And hereafter Krishna will be worshipped for ever here, and he is going to bless us. And in this occasion, we offer a special prayer to Lord Sri Krishna to bless the devotees all over the world. And Santasara.
ಬನ್ನಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ನು ಹೊರಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದು.
ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದು, ಎಲ್ಲ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿ
ಅದೇ ಬನ್ನಿ.
ಬೇಗ ಬೇಗ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ.
अनुमत्याः यत्सेवया गुणगणाद्यमपत्यमापहो तं पूर्णसद्गुणतरं करुणामृताब्धिं नारायणं कुलपतिं शरणं व्रजेम निर्मथ्य उग्रपवार्णवेदयमनोपीष्टं दिशामीति यः सम्यक् ज्ञापयितुं करेण विलसन्मन्थानं मन्येन च रम्यं दामदतन्महेशरजतग्रामश्रियोलङ्कृतिः कर्मन्तेश्वरभक्तिवन्तरवशः प्रीतोऽस्तु कृष्णप्रभुः अपावली पाठनपट्टपाङ्गः श्रीपाणिपद्माञ्चितजानुजङ्गः गोपालपालकृपया स्वयर्नः श्रीपाण्डुरङ्गो भवतु प्रसन्नः कल्याणात्मतगात्राय कामितार्थप्रदायिने श्रीमद्वेङ्कटनाथाय श्रीनिवासाय ते नमः नरसिंहो अखिलाज्ञानमतध्वान्तदिवाकरः जयत्यमितसज्ञानसुखशक्तिपयोनिधिः व्यासाय भवनाशाय श्रीशाय गुणराशये हृद्याय शुद्धविद्याय मध्वाय च नमो नमः बुद्धिर्बलं यशोधैर्यं निर्भयत्वम् अरोगता अजाड्यं वाक्पटुत्वं च हनुमस्मरणात् भवेत् आपादमौलिपर्यन्तं गुरूणाम् आकृतिमस्मरेत् तेन विघ्नाः प्रणश्यन्ति सिद्ध्यन्ति च मनोरथाः श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः Today we are all set for receiving Lord Sri Krishna to our place. Your lifetime is the most important celebration. Every person is having celebrations in his lifetime. The birthday celebration, anniversary day celebration, marriage day celebrations, many celebrations. Nowadays, without meaning also we have many celebrations. Parties. Now, we need not have any meaning. But whatever we do, we should have the meaning, and it should be meaningful. For spending money, we should have the justification and meaning. It should be meaningful. Then only celebration is considered as a great achievement. So to receive Lord Sri Krishna, whatever we prepare, it is very less, because we are receiving the Lord of the universe. Sometimes to receive a small person, how much we are going to spend? Very small person, we are spending lavishly, and we are spending a lot of money. Sometimes for a film star, for his birthday, we do cutout and Pachamrita Abhisheka. After all, he's a human being and he's like us. But we spend lives. If you consider that one, how much you should spend for receiving the Lord. That is why you may not find out any other event like this to celebrate, because this is the most great and is most important celebration. Whatever we are spending, it is for the Lord of the universe. Krishna is not a human being, but he is the Lord of the universe. So that to receive him, we should put everything to him. And mainly yesterday we mentioned what is the Sannidhanam and how we should receive. What is the most favorite thing we should offer to him? When we invite President of Prime Minister, what we do, we should get all the details, which food he is going to take, which one is very favorite to him, and how much he will take. We will prepare everything. Oh, this thing is very favorite to him, so we will prepare that. Same thing, when we are receiving Lord Krishna, which one is favorite to him, we should prepare. When we are receiving someone, we research that which one is best and which kind of food he is going to take, where, how he lives. All these things we collect. So to receive Lord Krishna also, we should collect all the things. First of all, if you consider Lord Krishna as Lord, then only he will be pleased. You should not consider him as one among us. That is the main thing we should consider. Many people, they consider Lord Krishna, Rama, just the great human beings like that. Some people they say, Sri Rama, he is a Purushottam, Maryada Purushottam. He is a great person, but we should consider he is not a human being. He is the Lord of the universe, whom all Vedas and all Upanishads and all the scriptures narrate the same God is the. We can see the Leela of Krishna. There are two purposes. One is teaching and one is information. That is why when Krishna he came down to this earth, first he has given the information. He introduced himself. When we meet someone, what we do first, we give our business card, where we have all the things. I am from this one and all our Jataka will be there. So you see that, we know, ID. Like that Krishna, when he took the avatar, just he has given ID. Tamatputam Palakavam Prajeshanam Chaturpujam Shankha Gadapidayidam Srivatsalakshmam Kalashopikodstubam Pitambaram Sandra Payoda Sotukam Maharasha Vaiduje Kirita Kundala Tusha Parishwakta Sahasra Kuntalam Uttama Kanchangada Kankanade Virochamanam Vasudeva Aikshata. The first introduction. Krishna he appeared with the Shankha, Chakra, Gada, Padma and Kirita and Kaustuba, Vadamali. First he has given his ID. I am not like human being, I am not God. That is why he appeared in that way. Tamatputam Balakam Ambudeshwaram Chaturpujam Shankagadadhyutayudam. In the history of human being or the history of world, is there anything? The child was born with the Chaturpuja, Shankha, Chakra, Gada, Padma, Kirita? No, maybe 3 legs and foreheads like that, but not with the ornaments. Krishna, when he appeared with kirita, kundala, all these things. So if you gauge the value of kirita and all this, it may be billions of dollars. So he appeared with kirita, kundala, no record, the history of one being. And if that is the case, every person will want more children. When children they get all ornaments and all this thing. But Krishna, only he appeared with and Vasudeva, he had the darshan. When child is born, then father is praising and doing namaskar. Can you see anywhere when child is born and father and mother doing namaskar and stotra, only for Krishna. Child is born, Vasudeva, he was praising. First he introduced himself and he introduced his purpose also. When Krishna he appeared, immediately the bondage was gone. And his father was in prison. No bondage. Everything is left. That is his purpose. First he has given the ID, then he showed the purpose. Why I am coming? To remove you from the bondages of samsara. That is why first work Krishna did, removing the bondage of his father's parents. First work he did, he has given his ID. I am Lord Narayan. After that he can take any way. First he appeared in Swarupa, then he became child or whatever he was. That is why we should consider Krishna Narayan and Srimad Narayan. No debate at all. Because he himself introduced himself as Lord Srimad Narayan. And he ordered his father, take me to from Mathura to Gokula, Nanda Gokula. Nowhere we can see after taking birth, where is ordering his father. Take me from this hospital to that hospital. I don't want to be here in this hospital, I want to go there. Like that. Here we see. So he ordered. And father took him. When he was going, so Shesha had come. Protection. Every step we can see Krishna is the incarnation of Lord Srimad Narayan. After giving all these proofs, still if you say Krishna is not Narayan, Krishna is like us, then we cannot do it. That is why, first of all, we should know Lord Krishna in his true way, Swarupa. He is Lord Srimad Narayan. He has come to this earth to protect us and to bless us, to solve our problem. Yada yada dharmasya, yadane bhavati bharata, abhyutthanam adharmasya, tadatmanam prajamanam, paritranaya sakuram, vinashaya cha dushkratam, dharma samsthapanasthaya sambhavam yuddhi. Krishna himself declared. No other rupas declared the secrecy. Narasimha, he didn't say, yada yada hi dharmasya, yadane bhavati bharata, abhyutthanam. He didn't say. Sri Rama also he didn't say. But only Krishna said, I will be ready to protect. That means the form of Lord Krishna is mainly assigned to protect the devotees of Kali-yuga. That is why he has declared, Yada yada dharmasya yadane bhavati bharata abhyutthanam adharmasya tada atmanam sridam. He will come on his way. That is why he is not the son of Vasudeva and Devaki. But Vasudeva and Devaki, they are children of Lord Krishna. That is why Krishna, from day one he is showing all the leelas and he is doing all the directions and he is giving all the information. Still, if we don't agree, no one can do it. That is why, first of all, we know the greatness of Krishna and we know him as the incarnation of Narayana. Then only he will be pleased. If you know the greatness of a person, then only the person will be pleased more. Without knowing the greatness, without knowing the achievement, without knowing his performance, just you worship, it's only blindly you are worshiping. But first of all, we should know why he has come and what is the greatness. So he is the Lord of the universe and he is Parabrahma. If you think like that way, then we will be prepared to receive. Otherwise, we are preparing someone. But we should welcome Lord Krishna, the Lord of the universe, to our place. That is why this event is most important in the lifetime, because receiving Lord Sri Krishna to our place is great. Beyond that, nothing is there. That is why we should prepare with the knowledge, we should prepare with the affection, bhakti, we should be prepared with jnana, bhakti, vairagya. So vairagya means, if you consider Krishna as a great main subject to our life, then it is vairagya. That is why considering God is the most important thing in our life. That is vairagya. If you consider, oh, it's also one of the other things, then it is not vairagya. That is why we should be prepared with the jnana, bhakti, vairagya, and we should consider this is the most highest paramount event in our lifetime to receive him and to get the blessings. That is why we are all set today to receive Lord Krishna to our place. Because Krishna is showing the mercy. We are not going to his place, he is coming to our place. That is the greatness. He is coming to our place means it is very great event. That is why Krishna is always attracted by the devotees. Wherever aham bhakta parati, the very interesting thing in Gita, he says, Kaunteya pratijanehi name bhakta pranashyati. Krishna says, whoever trusts me, for him, no problem, nothing. Nahi kalyana krishna durgatim tata gacchati. That is the oath. Krishna says, Arjuna, you should take the oath. For Krishna Bhakta, no problem at all. Then Arjuna asked, why should I take the oath? Krishna himself is here. Let him take the oath that for Krishna Bhakta nothing will happen. Then Krishna says, no, I am not going to take that oath. Because if I will take oath, that oath will be spoiled. But if my Bhakta will take the oath, it will never spoil. Aham Bhakta Bharatina. Though I am Sarvatantra Swatantra, but I am in the hand of my Bhakta. So if you take the oath, it is permanent. If I will take the oath, it is not permanent. You can see the example is the Mahabharata war. In the beginning of the war, Krishna declared, I am not going to touch any weapons. Contrary, his Bhakta, Bhishma, he has taken the oath that I will make Krishna to take the weapon. But what happened? Krishna, he defeated. Krishna took the chakra and rushed to Bhishma. Then Bhishma says, this is the Karuna on Bhakta. Krishna says, I may let my oath may be spoiled, but I never let my Bhakta's oath spoil. That is why Krishna says, you should take the oath rather than me. So if we are Bhakta, he will come to our place and leaving everything and he will come to bless us. That is why is most important. Krishna is coming to our place. We are not going to his place. He is coming to our place to bless us. That is why we should be very much alert and we should be prepared to get the blessing from him. Krishna is the only avatara. Which avatara is crossed the ocean by jumping air. Rama, he crossed the ocean, but he crossed the ocean only through the bridge. But Krishna, he jumped from India to Dwaraka. By air, he came to Dwaraka. So he crossed the ocean. That is why for the people who cross the ocean, for them Krishna is the way, because they are following the Krishna. And next comes Hanuman, who came by crossed the ocean by air. So that is why here Krishna is coming, who crossed the ocean first, and then Pranadaiva is coming. And among Swamijis, the first Swamiji who crossed the ocean is Raghavendra Swami. And among Swamiji, the first Swamiji who was talking in English, that is Raghavendra Swami. That is why we selected 3 Sannidhana for NRI devotees. Because NRI God, NRI Guru. So all these people, they crossed the ocean by air. So you followed Krishna, you followed Mukhya Prana, and you followed Raghavendra Swami. In history, you can see our Acharya, he was speaking Arabic, not in English. But the first time we can see only Raghavendra Swamiji, his son Thomas Munro, was speaking in English. That is why you are all the devotees of Raghavendra Swamiji. During 97, when we came, all people, they were crying, Swamiji crossed the ocean. I told, I am not the first person. First I saw Raghavendra Swamiji in New York temple. So before me, Raghavendra Swamiji had come, that is why I happened. That is why don't blame me, because I am following that Raghavendra Swamiji. So the regards, so for NRI devotees, Raghavendra Swamiji and Lord Hanuman and Lord Sri Krishna. We are all the, because NRI God, NRI Guru, so you should worship them, and these Krishna and Mukhya Prana and Raghavendra Swamiji, they are particular to bless NRI devotees. That is why we are receiving them here in New Jersey. So I am very glad to pray, to offer my prayer to this Sannidhana here to be permanent, maybe 1,000 years, 2,000 years. This Krishna Vrindavanam will be here for the blessings of all devotees. But they will get all the blessings, but only for you. This is the time for the Pratishtapana Anugraha. You are only getting that Anugraha. That is why you are useful that Bhagyam and be blessed by Lord Krishna. Tomorrow, all of you should join us to receive Lord Krishna and to get the blessings of Lord.
Shri Guru Namaha. We are all set to celebrate the Krishna Pratishtha and Brahma Kalasha Abhisheka tomorrow. So many devotees, they have come from different places, from California, Virginia, Washington DC, Texas, Arizona, Louisiana. So we welcome to Shri Krishna Vrindavan all of them. And tomorrow I request all the volunteers and devotees to please cooperate. The one announcement, hereafter no cell phone inside. I mean, nobody is allowed to take pictures or videos. of Garbhagriha or anywhere, no selfies. Our designated volunteers, only 3 of them are allowed to take pictures and video. We have that wonderful, beautiful Garbhagriha. Krishna is coming there. Hereafter our plan is to give you the Garbhagriha picture. You can take to your home for a nominal donation to SRCF. So that is the rule. I request all of you to follow and insist others to follow. And tomorrow, all of us, we are eagerly waiting to see the Krishna Pratishtha and Mahabhisheka by Swamiji. Hundreds of devotees are expected. We have to give opportunity each one of them. Our volunteers assigned for different tasks, they are working really hard. Please follow their instructions. And we are planning to have 2 systems. One is the line. So we have tent. We have planned to have the display on a TV screen inside the tent and here in small hall and everywhere. And also one is the Pradakshina opportunity. So there will be a line. You can stand and slowly walk, have darshana, come out. So in that way, everyone is getting an opportunity to witness the Abhisheka, Pratishtha, the rituals. And number 2, we are also allowing our devotees to sit inside designated area, but only for 15 minutes. Let us have that system batch by batch. Please cooperate. Let us have others also get that opportunity to sit sometime. So it will start around 7:30, 8 o'clock. So batch by batch. So you have that system of pradakshina, walking, and also the sitting opportunity. So I request all the devotees to cooperate. And the parking and all other instructions, everything is there on website. And let us get ready for tomorrow's grand celebration with the Anugraha of Swamiji. Only because of Swamiji, this is. We are fortunate, and even we don't realize the real greatness of this opportunity. So, after 100 and thousands of years, people may praise for being during this time, 2017, and how great that people are. So, where Swamiji was there to establish Krishna Vrindavana, and how great opportunity they had, right? So, let us feel, and also let us offer our sincere thanks and pranamas to the feet of Sri Swamiji. So, for all of us, Krishna himself, please come as Swamiji. So, Swamiji's darshana is enough to have all the anugraha of Lord Sri Krishna himself. So, Swamiji is representing Krishna and also Madhvacharya. So, crossed ocean and established Krishna Vrindavana, and let us be prepared for tomorrow's grand event. Again, the sincere request, all devotees and volunteers, please cooperate and please follow the instructions of our assigned volunteers for their specific rules and regulations. There is nothing personal or nothing to hurt anybody, but we have to respect. We have to follow the instruction. Then only we can have that great, grand and peaceful event tomorrow. And let us get all of us an opportunity to witness tomorrow's Brahma Kalasha Abhisheka. And also there is another opportunity for Kalasha sponsorship. There is still that opportunity. You can also inform others to take that opportunity, because the Brahma Kalasha Abhisheka, the Pratishtha only once. So the 1,000 Kalashas, so the sponsors, they can get that Kalasha with Tirtha to their home. So this is an opportunity.
ಎಷ್ಟು ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ಬರೋದು ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ನಾಳೆ ವಾಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ 2:30 6:30 8:30 what time?
Tomorrow around 9 o'clock will be the procession of Krishna Vigraha on parking lot, then followed by the Pratishtha and other rituals. So I suggest devotees to come after 8 o'clock. After 8, and so then up to our rituals as informed earlier, we're going to start around 2:30 a.m. The Kalasha Sthapana, Kalasha Pratishtha, all the vidhis will take couple of hours. So to fill up all the Kalashas. Then the special like tirthas from all the rivers and sarovaras from India. Not only that, then Panchagavya, Panchamrita, and some it is called in a Kvadha. So specific like sticks and leaves from specific trees from India. We have to have that specific Kalasha Purana Vidhana, Vishesha Kalasha Abhisheka. Taking the brief information for tomorrow's event, the timeline is like that. So around 2:30 a.m. all the preparation will begin. So 3 a.m. to 5 a.m. and Kalasha Purana and all the vidhis, and 5 a.m. to 5 a.m. to 7 a.m. the Kalasha, all the Devata Vahana and the Puja rituals. Then 7 onwards, all other like the mantra, japa and Veda Parayana and all the rituals, it may go up to 8:30, 9 o'clock. 9, sharp 9 is the procession. During that time, so please plan to be here by 8 and 8:30 for sure, because around 9 o'clock, before 8, Swamiji is suggesting before 8, so you cannot miss that opportunity to witness the Krishna Pradakshina only once. 5 to 7 will be the Framsthana Puja, so still we are planning that exact plans. Approximately 5 to 7 the Swamiji will perform Samsthana Puja, but Mahanivedyam and everything will take place only after around 12:30. So again, around 9 o'clock is the procession. In parking lot, we can going to take Krishna only once. Then onwards, Krishna is Pratishtha. That's it, Ashtabandha. Then Krishna cannot move for thousands of years. So to witness that Krishna's procession, please plan to be here, and let us call others also to take this opportunity to have Krishna Darshana. Then around 9 o'clock, after the Prakara, then Pradakshina and everything, Krishna will come, and we have the Vishesha Kalasha Abhisheka, and the Pratishtha rituals will go up to 10:30. Then the Kalasha Abhisheka will begin. It may take 2.5 hours. So non-stop Abhishekas. Then the Mahapuja, Alankara Mahapuja, followed by the Dwarapalaka, Dikpalaka Bali, and the Swamiji's Ashirvachana. And we are having all like the devotees all over America, and also all our priests, chief priests are coming from all other branches, and we're going to have the special Samarpana, Phala Samarpana from all other branches. So this time Swamiji another like in the great, then we have to mention that proudly this time. So in America, like we are performing all the rituals as described in Tantrasara, very strictly and in detail. Not only that, all one and everyone, each and everyone, all the priests are from Puttige Vidyapitha, all under guidance by Swamiji. Swamiji's dream started many years ago. We are all like just small, simple human beings. Swamiji made all of us as priests and to follow all the rituals according to Shastras. So whatever we are seeing not only the Krishna Vrindavana, not only other branches, not only like all the activities behind the preparing and the priests also. This is the only temple in America you find each and every priest also trained from zero from Prattika Vidyapita. That all credits goes to the feet of Swamiji. Krishna Arpanamastu. Tent. So there we are serving the Mahaprasada.
ಆಯ್ತಾ?
ತಂದಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಈಗ ನನಗೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಅದು ರತೀಶ್ ಹತ್ರ ಕೇಳಿದೆ, ಈಗ ಬೆಳ್ಳಿದ ಕಿರೀಟ ಅವರು ಕವಚ ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಮಾಡಿದಾರಂತ ಹೌದು, ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅದು ಬೇರೆ ಇನ್ನೂ ನಾವು ನನಗೆ ಇದು ಚಿನ್ನದ್ದು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೊರಟಿದೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಕಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸುಲಭ ಅದು ಬೆಳ್ಳಿದು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನನಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗಲಿಲ್ಲ.
ಬೆಳ್ಳಿದು ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗಲಿಲ್ಲ
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಬೆಳ್ಳಿದು ಏನೋ ಅರ್ಜೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ತಗೊಂಡು ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನಾಡಿದ್ದಿಗೆ ಅಂತ.
ಹೌದಾ?
ಅಂದರೆ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಕವಚ ಮಾಡಿಸಿದ್ರು ರೂಪ ಅಯ್ಯರ್ ಅಂತ, ಬೆಳ್ಳಿದ್ದು ಅದು ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಅದ್ರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಬಟ್ ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸಲ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಿಸೋಣ.
ಯಾಕೆ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ?
ಅಂದರೆ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಇತ್ತು ಅವರಿಗೆ.
ಅಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ, ಯಾಕೆ ಅದು ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಹೇಗೆ
ಜನ ಅದ್ರ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಬಟ್ ನನಗೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದು ಇನ್ನೂ ಬೇರೆ ಐಡಿಯಾ ಇದೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಆ ಥರ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದು ಅವರು ಕವಚದವರು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ನಾವು ಮಾಡಿದಲ್ಲ. ಯಾರು ಕವಚ ಮಾಡಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೋ ಅವರೇ ಮಾಡಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಮತ್ತೆ ಈಗ ಬೇಡ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಇನ್ನು ನಿಧಾನಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಅಂತ. ಆಗ ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ಸೇವೆ ಆಗಬೇಕು.
ಹೇಳಿ ನನಗೆ ಏನು ಅಂತ. ಅದು ಎಷ್ಟು ದಿನ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ?
ನಾನು ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ ರತೀಶ್ ಜೊತೆಗೆ.
ಹರಿಮಾಲಯಂ
मालिका रसनाचितं
ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಗುಡ್ಡು
ನಾನು ಸೇರ್ತೀನಿ ಜೊತೆಗೆ.
Tripod cannot go and zoom and all that.
ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಬನ್ನಿ ನೀವು ಮುಂದೆ
ಉಮಾ
ಏನಿದು
Even my brother has a rabbit there.
ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಬಿಜೋಡಿ ಟೆಂಪಲ್ ಈಗ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿಲ್ಲ ಭಾಳ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ
You don't worry about how you do. But you
ಮನೆಯಿಂದ ಹೊರಟು
ಓಪನ್